So hello developers, in this video we're gonna talk about top 5 extensions for VS Code which uses AI to improve your work. So let's go. So guys, let's start with the most important extension. If you wanna add AI to your work, then GitHub Copilot is a must thing to do. It is powered by OpenAI and it suggests you guys the entire lines or blocks of code just based on the context of your work. And let me tell you guys, it also learns from your code and also adapt your coding style. So if you tell me why do you need it, so it just speeds up your development process guys. It will complete your code automatically by itself and it can be your best AI assistant. It is helping to make the project and it's also helping to fix its bugs. So it can be helpful for you. But let me tell you guys, it is not completely free. You can start a 30-day free trial if you want to, as you can see. Otherwise, it can be 10 USD per month, or if you want to get it yearly, it can be 100 USD per year. But yeah guys, it is very helpful for you. If you guys can spend the money, then completely you can go for it. The other extension which you can use guys is called Tab9. It is also an AI chat and auto-complete AI assistant. It can also be your AI assistant tool. So if you install it, then it will tell you to sign in. So you can just copy the link and sign into Tab9. Or if you don't have an account, then you can just sign in with Google. After you did that, it will tell you that yeah, you are all set. Then just close your browser. Go to Tab9 AI and now you can start doing stuff here. So as you can see, you can just type / if you want to tell it any command like fix code, code explore, or explain the code. If I do explain the code, then I can just copy my code and just tell it to explain it. Then it will tell you what this code does. It can be helpful if you're learning something, if you're learning JavaScript or Node.js, anything, it will help you for that. Generate any test for code or document code, because a lot of people will ask you to provide documentation or provide proper explanation of the code. You can do it by this. Or if you have any error, like if I just do something else here, then I'll just copy it, then paste it here to fix the code, and let's see if it is fixing it. So let me do something like this, which will be an error here. So I'll just do something like this, and as you can see, it is telling me an error. So I'll just copy it and I'll tell it to fix that code, and it will fix it for me, I think. Yeah, as you can see, it is fixing this because I did something wrong here. So I just copy it, I just paste it here. It helps me to fix my code and it's completely free trial. So if you can also use that. Now let's talk about some another extension which can be IntelliCode. It is provided by Microsoft. It is also an AI assisted development feature for Python and TypeScript, JavaScript or Java developers. So you can use its autocomplete feature. It will predict your code before you type. So yeah, it will also increase the flexibility of your code. So guys, these are all the AI assistants. But now you guys will say, what about some another kind of extensions, right? So you can use a extension which is called Sorcery. This extension Sorcery will help you to review your code and tell you about the improvements of your code. Because if you are using an AI assistant, then you will tell it to make a code, it will make a code for you, you will copy it. But you need something which will improve your code, right? Because coding is not about writing code, it's also about writing code which is well optimized. So Sorcery will help you for that. It will help you to improve your code. You can just install this extension and go with it. It can be ideal for Python developers who want to keep their code base clean and efficient without manual refactoring. If you want a specific AI tool for your documentation, you can use something called AI Doc Writer by Mintlify. As you can see, it will take care of all the documentations for your Python code or JavaScript or the things you mentioned here like TypeScript and all other languages. You can just generate any type of documentation of your code by using this document writer. So yeah guys, these are some extensions which you guys can use. If you want me to dive deep into any kind of extension, I can make a whole video for any kind of extension you want. In this video, I just gave you an overview of extensions. So yeah guys, I hope you guys like the video. Tell me about the extension you use in the comment section so others can be helped. So yeah guys, thanks for watching the video. I'll see you guys on my next video. Till then, goodbye.